A. Love, like and hate.
Love. Like. Don't like. Hate.
I love my family and my best friend.
I like my job.
I don't like horror films.
I hate spiders. B. Happy, sad and tired.
Happy,
Sad. Angry.
upset,
Cold.
hot, thirsty,
Hungry.
well,
Ill.
tired.
Surprised.
C. Prefer, hope and want.
I prefer coffee to tea. I like coffee more than I like tea.
I hope to do well in my exam.
I hope that my friend does well in his exam.
I want a new car.
I want to buy a new car.
I want my mother to buy a new car. D. Expressions.
Do you like football?
Yes, I really like football. Yes, I really like it. No, I don't like football very much. No, I don't like it very much.
How's your grandfather?
He's very well, thanks.
And how about your grandmother?
She's a bit tired. She's a little tired.